Hey, what's up guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, sorry for the AC in the background. It's like really hot in my building because the heat is on, so I turned the AC on. Oops. Okay, so today I'm really excited. So I'm going to be attempting a sunset eye today. I've never done this before. I'm not going to take forever on this. I'm going to jump right in. Mary Kay Tom Wise Age Fighting Moisturizer, and I'm going to be going in with this, and I'm literally just getting the teeny tiniest bit of this because this is kind of an oilier moisturizer. I mean, it's a moisturizer, but obviously it's like really liquidy. And then I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is the Radiance Primer. I'm going to get a good amount of that. Once that is done, I'm going to be going in with my all-time favorite foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is in the shade 110 Porcelain, because your girl is pasty. And then I'm taking my Real Techniques. This is the original blending sponge. And blend that in. Whoop, whoop. And now I'm going to take my favorite concealer, my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 5 Ivory. And then I'm just going to take my sponge and blend that in. Now I'm going to take my Coty Airspun powder. This is in the shade Naturally Neutral. So once that's done, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Brow Drama Pro Palette, and I'm going to grab my Real Techniques definer brush and my e.l.f. spoolie. Maybe I can do the snap thing. Let's see if I can do the snap thing. Okay, so now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going to take my Vanity Planet Kabuki brush and some powder and brush off my bake. I'm just going to lightly set where I've put concealer on my eyes for eye primer. My NYX Ultimate Brights palette. Yes, ma'am. This is, I love her. Alright, so I'm going to start by taking my Real Techniques blending brush, and this is the Essential Crease brush, and I'm going to take this gold shade. These don't have shade names. Kind of makes me sad. I'm going to come up with shade names of my own. So this is going to be, oh my gosh, this is going to be Crayola Box. Look at that. I don't know. Which one should be Crayola Box? That one or that one? I'm just going to name this one Crayola Box. Or no. I'm going to name this one Crayola Gold because it looks like a marker in Crayola. And this is going to be Crayola Box. Okay. So I'm going to go in with Crayola Gold on this brush. Tap her off. And put this way up on my crease. So this is going to go up here. And then I'm going to go up here to these two shades. I'm going to call this one the Fire Nation. And I'm going to call this one Changing Leaves. Very poetic. So I'm going to take those two. And I'm mixing these on an Anastasia palette brush. Putting that right below that gold. And then I'm going in with a different Anastasia palette brush. And I'm going to go in with this pink shade right here. And I'm going to call this, oh my gosh, I'm going to call this Candies. Because it looks like my glasses case. So, gonna get that, and I'm putting that below the orange. So really, I'm just constantly going back and re-blending everything out. So now I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here, and I'm going to call this Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush. because, get it? Okay. So I'm going in with that on this smaller Purity Cosmetics brush, so I can get that right in my crease, right there. Alright, so far I'm actually really happy with this. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I'm going to cut my crease all the way over. So like I'm going to start here. Now I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to take the color Ivy. This is the Too Faced palette, and Too Faced Naked Tutorial palette. I usually really only keep it because of the bronzer, but I'm taking Ivy and using that to set the lid. And then what we're going to do is everything we just did down here, up here, but do it down here. So going in with this, and on the flat / like C side of the Anastasia brush, I'm going to take that purple. What did I call this? Real Techniques. This is Real Techniques. I'm going to take this, I'm going to go right against my upper lash line. Okay, and then go in with Candies. And then I'm just going to go back in with that orange. And blend that out right above here. And then going in with Crayola Gold. And finishing off. So we are done with the upper eye. And now, I'm not gonna add I'm gonna add a wing. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Intense Ink Eyeliner. I'm just gonna, actually, I'm gonna do this off camera. Okay. So that took forever, and that happened, so you know. I'm going to take my concealer, and I'm going to clean up. So I'm going in, drawing the line with concealer to get that like nice full coverage cut in the foundation. And use foundation to blend it out. And now I'm going to do my bottom lash line. This is my Urban Decay 24/7 Waterline Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Walk of Shame. And then I'm just gonna take the purple along here. I'm just adding some mascara to blend my real lashes and the falsies. And now I'm going to go in and do contour and blush and highlight. I'm going to bronze first. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take my Benefit Hula little baby sample. That's so cute. Now I'm going to go in my Naked Tutorials X Too Faced Powered Makeup Palette, and I'm going to go in with Chocolate Soleil, which is this contour shade on the bottom. I don't like that brush. Why do I grab that brush? This is the one. And this Purity Cosmetics brush. I'm just just gonna tap into that. Now I'm gonna go in with the Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm going to go in with I Will Always Love You. It's a blush from Too Faced. And I'm just gonna put this on the apples on my cheeks. And drag it up and blend it in with my contour. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in the Real Techniques medium shadow brush, and I'm gonna go in with that and Chocolate Soleil and chisel out my nose. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia. Ooh, they're still falling out. This Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. Oh yay, Lyra broke again. That's great. I'm just gonna press her back down. We'll fix her later. Okay. And I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm going to take Spectra, which is this purple shade, and Luna, Spectra and Luna, Spectra and Luna, and that's going right here. And then I'm going to go in with a smaller brush and Luna. So this is Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the color Sell Out. Guys, I really am turning into a beauty influencer. Nude lip! And then I'm going to go in with this Buxom Gloss in the shade White Russian. Just a nude gloss. I'm going to set this with my Maybelline Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray. Yes, ma'am. So I'm actually really proud of this. Guys, I love this, actually. Like, look at those eyeballs. Hello? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and go watch my other videos. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.
I could stay like